my name is Kevin. I study 3rd grade. Today we're going to do an experiment called What's the difference between baking soda and baking powder? So you see, I have two bowls full of water, baking soda, baking powder, and a teaspoon. So let's first add a teaspoon of baking soda and put it in this bowl. You see, nothing happens there. Now, let's do the same thing, but this time doing it with baking powder. See what happens? It's reacting. This happens because baking soda is an alkaline, opposite of an acid. When you mix an alkaline with an acid, it frees the carbon dioxide bubbles. Baking powder is baking soda mixed with an acid. When you put baking powder in water or milk, it activates the baking soda and the acid and makes carbon dioxide bubbles. That's good. Thanks for watching my video. Bye now. See you soon.